Want to protect your short link with a password? Let me show you how password-protected links work in Katli. Open your Katli dashboard and find the short link you want to protect. Click the password icon next to the link. Enter the password you want to use. Save the password. Now copy the short link and open it in new tab. Enter the password to open the link. The link now redirects to the destination page. If you want to remove the password protection, just click the password icon again. Now the option changes to Remove Password. Click it to remove password protection from the link. Password-protected links are perfect for private content, internal resources, or restricted campaigns. Try it yourself at Katli.